Honey and milk are two ingredients that are known to have magical properties. When combined, honey with milk makes an amazing concoction that is known to have several health benefits. Honey, with its antioxidant, antimicrobial properties, has many nutrients present in it that serves as an excellent natural medicine to combat several health problems. Many already use honey for weight loss. Milk, which is a potent source of protein, calcium, lactic acid, and minerals, has many healing properties as well. Other than being used for medicinal and health purposes, the nourishing blend of milk and honey is also good for skin. Thanks to the presence of antimicrobial action and cleansing properties present in both of them, honey and milk is all you need to get many benefits for skin health. In a nutshell, be it for health or your skin, milk and honey always come to the rescue. So, without thinking twice, make them a part of your daily health and beauty regime and see the difference. What are the benefits of honey with milk? Improved digestion, increased stamina, better bone health, curing insomnia, rich in antibacterial properties, home remedy for respiratory problems, induces relaxation, anti-aging, moisturizes skin, deeply cleanses the skin, gives glowing skin, repairs dull and dry hair, reduces scars, prevents acne.